And look at that one behind it. Look at that jet right there. And look at that one right there. They're trying to get two in the same thing. Look at this thing turning over my house. Everyone knows that's an illegal cover-up. Look at that. Holy crap. It's a white jet with a red tip part on the tail. Look how low it is. Holy crap. And the other one was really low too, and they crossed 2 feet away from each other. That's how you know the cover-up, left cover-up airway is fake, because they wouldn't just do that. There's the plane that it almost hit.